Hi there, this is Mel from Sweeney Hire. I'm sure you've probably just spoken to one of us on the phone, on email, and you've just made a booking. So this is a quick video that we're filming today just so you guys are aware of some things that we might not have covered in relating to your hire. So 5 things you need to know when you hire. First things first, if you have any issues with the machine and you can't get through to us. So basic things like the machine won't start, could be due to a roll bar not being down or a safety bar not being down, something like that. We do have basic control videos on our YouTube channel. You can actually, this machine is brand new so we haven't had a chance to stick the stickers on it yet, but there will be a keyring on the machine. You can scan this and it'll bring you to all of our pages, but one of our pages is our YouTube channel. We will have the sticker on the machine. It'll probably be inside somewhere up near the key like it is on the other machines. You can scan that. That will bring that directly to, for example, this machine, the Posi Track playlist, and there'll be how to take it off the trailer, basic controls, how to take off the bucket, how to connect attachments, and probably coupling tips and tricks if there's any issues with couplings. If you have an issue that's not covered there, feel free to give us a call, or a video will tell us 1,000 words. If you are having issues, it's a good idea to send us some footage to see if we can help you over the phone before we have to call out to you, which we will do as well. We try to triage it to help you as quickly as possible and eliminate some of the more common things that can go wrong. Okay, number 2, you've hired a machine for 1 day and you might want to hire it for extra. That is no problem. If you think you might need it for a second day, just mention that in passing. If it is a machine that we don't have one available for the next day and we get an inquiry, we will give you a heads up and give you first refusal. If there's no bookings, it's no problem to ring us at the last hour and go, look, can I extend my hire for another day? That's the problem with earth moving. Once you start digging into the ground, you don't really know what you're getting yourself in for. Another thing that commonly happens, especially with an excavator, is you start excavating for a trench. Again, you don't know the ground conditions and you might need a hammer. And it's like, okay, I need a hammer. Again, that's no problem. Just give us a call. We can either deliver one out to you, you can come and grab it. With a hammer, I will advise though that you don't know how long it's going to take, and it can really extend your hire depending on how hard that rock is, how much of that rock. So just be prepared to be patient if you do need to use a hammer. Fueling. So most people top up themselves on the way back, otherwise we do charge a refuel fee. We will look at how much is left in the tank and try to guesstimate how much we'll charge you for fuel. So if it could be $10. If it's an empty tank on an excavator, it's about $33. If it's an empty tank on a Posi Track, now don't hold me to this one because I don't even know what the capacity is of an empty tank on this one. I'm guessing it's 40 litres, so you'd be looking at about $55. And then cleaning. So cleaning, look, we're not Coates or Kennards. We don't mind if there's a little bit of dirt on the machines. You've probably gotten it with a little bit of dirt on it. We don't charge what they charge to then allow for cleaning of a machine to make it spotless every time. What I will say though is that's the most important. A lot of dirt can be hiding in here at the back, and that's what needs to be cleaned, because it's all well and good with this machine today, it's out in the field. Tomorrow could be in the middle of a housing estate, and say for example if you are a plumber and you're the one collecting it, you wouldn't like if the next time you hire it got given to you like that and you're in a residential estate and you have to take it off on somebody's driveway. So cleaning fees can apply. We base it on how long it takes us to clean the machine, but as a minimum it's $33. So finally, we love to see what you guys get up to with our machines, especially when we get a new model like this and we don't really know what it can do. Sometimes, like this machine, this is only my second time driving it today, taking it off the trailer to film this video. So we love to see the machines in action. We love to see how you guys use the machines, because everyone uses them different. We'd love to see you tag us in social media. You can just tag us at Sweeney Hire. We'll actually give you 10% off your next hire if you do give us a shout out. And if you're willing to leave us a review, good, bad or ugly, on Google or Facebook, we'll even put you in a draw to win a voucher, and we do that one quarterly, and your name could get pulled out in 2 years' time. You never know. So yeah, that's basically 5 things to consider when you do hire from us. Thanks a million for taking the time to watch. Again, like I said at the start of the video, we have a huge library on YouTube which you can check out if you have any trouble and you can't get through to us, like, oh, how does the machine start, or how do I change the buckets, or how is that machine strapped again? There's a video for that, more than likely. Thanks again for watching, and be sure to subscribe. Cheers!